Wait. Okay, guys, watch the video. It's so cute. I will silent it. Bruh, dabay don't. Guys, they are so cute. Abby and Oliver. Oh my god. They're literally gay.